Hey guys, it's Sarah
And me.
Sydney. This is my first YouTube video on this channel, and we're eating McDonald's. I got 2 cheeseburgers.
I got 20 chicken nuggets.
And I got a small fry, and then I have sweet and sour sauce with barbecue sauce. And let's get started. Oh, and we still have Coke and Dr. Pepper. And we're gonna do a friend Q&A. So,
Okay.
let's start with the first question.
I told Maddie to ask us a juicy question. She's like, who do you like name? And do you have a Valentine? Baha baha bah.
Let's
Go
do, okay,
ahead,
what's your
Sarah.
favorite color?
Hot pink. Bet you didn't know that.
Ask me.
Oh, like your favorite color.
Thanks for asking. Probably black.
Cool.
I'm having one. They're kind of good. Yeah, they're good.
I know they're good. Next question is,
Hey, going from
go.
yeah. We are looking at questions to put. What is your safari?
Did you see?
Okay. So, when and how did we first meet? It was like last year.
Yeah.
Last year because you went to Las Palmas. I went to Truman.
Hey, don't fucking give our school names.
No, we used to. But you don't know what school we go to now.
It's a secret.
And who's on that group chat?
I don't know. Who
Okay.
is your best friend's hero?
My best friend's hero? Who do you think's my hero? It's an actor. And it's actually, I don't know. But do you have one? I can guess.
There you go ahead. It's a singer.
Guy or girl?
Girl.
Ariana Grande? Billie Eilish?
Billie Eilish is my hero.
I don't know. Oh, Beyonce?
Selena
Adele?
Gomez.
Really? I don't know. If you could go any place on earth, where would it be and why?
I'd probably go to I don't know. Probably like Mexico. I've already been there though.
But why?
Because I like Mexico.
I've basically been on like everywhere on the planet, but if I had to go somewhere again,
I'd go to Uranus.
I'd go to Bora Bora. Oh wait, yeah, I'll go to Bora Bora or the Maldives again. And that's because it has tropical water and stuff. Okay, we said that one. What is our favorite food? I love McDonald's.
McDonald's. I eat chicken nuggets. Chicken nuggets or mac and cheese or applesauce.
What is the name of your best friend's crush?
Do you know?
Yeah, everyone knows who you like.
Oh.
Okay.
Wait, actually?
Yeah.
No.
Who? What? Wait. Who? Tell me. Hurry, this video. What? I never knew that.
Actually?
My voice. Okay. What is your best friend's biggest fear? Tsunamis? For sure.
That's gonna sound so cheesy, like the end of the world. Like I would hate like having like something like traumatic happen where we all die.
One thing that's like really scary is like after you die, you're just like in heaven or like helicopter your whole life. Like you just like stay there. Like there's nothing
if you don't recognize the people there.
They all look like demons. Just kidding. If your best friend were deserted on an island, what are the 3 things she or he could not live with? You could not live with your...
Wait, but we couldn't live without?
Yeah, what could you like not live without? Like, no. What are the 3 things that you could not live without? I could not live without chapstick. Water. That's it, basically. And mascara. Just kidding. I can't even wear mascara. A mirror, because you know what? You want to know what you look like. So a mirror.
Why don't?
Chapstick. A mirror, chapstick. Ooh. Yeah, a mirror, chapstick, and what did I say? Water.
I'd probably be like water. Like strawberries.
You can get this in... No, you can't. Okay.
And like a helicopter, get out of there.
What are 3 movies that you're... What are the 3 movies that your best friend likes? I know she likes A Star Is Born.
How'd you know that?
Let's just do one. What do you think is my favorite movie? It's like so cheesy, but it's so good.
It's like a romance movie. Is it Sharknado?
It ends in box.
Let me think. Pelican box?
Yeah. What part of your best friend's body is their favorite? My face. No, actually, I love my eyelashes.
No, we're saying about each other.
Oh.
I love myself.
I love myself. I love me, myself, and I.
I like your eyelashes.
Thank you.
And your smile.
I like,
My butt.
yeah. I like your butt. I like your. I'm literally obsessed with her lips because like her Cupid's bow is like perfect. So I like your lips.
Oh, this thing?
Yeah. And I like her eyelashes. Okay. What are 2 things your best friend does not know about you?
I just told you.
What? Oh yeah. Okay, let's skip that one. Would you describe your best friend's? Okay, that doesn't make sense. How long does it take your best friend to get dressed? You get dressed in like 5 minutes, like in the morning, right?
Yeah. Well, I pick my stuff out like the night before.
I don't. What about me?
You take like 4.
4 minutes?
No, you take like 15.
Mom, you hear her? Who said I just took 15 minutes to get ready?
She takes 15 minutes?
I think 15 minutes to wake up. But
She needs her phone to wake her up first for 15 minutes.
which is your best friend's favorite season and why? Your favorite season is summer because you go swimming.
Your favorite season is probably like winter because it's dark. You know. No, yours is probably like summer because there's no school.
Yeah, I like summer and spring. I don't know. What is your best friend's dream job?
A YouTuber.
Yeah. Actually, is that?
Low-key.
Yeah. That's a doctor.
Oh my god. I've always wanted to be those people on the plastic surgeons.
Have you seen Dr. Pimple Popper?
Oh my god, that's so gross.
It's so good though.
Okay, I can't think about that when I'm eating.
Okay.
So like,
Is your best friend? If your best friend were to wear a shirt / blouse or a tee, which would it be?
A what?
I don't know. What are 3 items your best friends always carry with them? Your phone.
Okay.
Money.
Okay.
Your phone. I don't know.
That's literally it.
Yeah, it is same.
Because I don't have like a purse.
What's your
Purses
best
are-
friend's favorite TV show?
I don't watch TV.
What
Mine would be like Saved by the Bell.
do you think is mine? It's like a new show that came out on Netflix. It's like romance, kind of.
Sarah.
Okay, bye guys.